When you watch the golf on television, have you ever noticed how many of the pros tend to tee off at the extreme ends of the tee box? Stick around, we'll explain why. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your tee shot to give you the best second shot into the green. Most golfers tend to automatically tee the ball up in the center of the tee block. This hole is a short par 4 dogleg right. When you tee up in the center, you've actually eliminated half of your landing area off the tee. For a right-handed golfer, the ideal landing place for your second shot would be the left center of the fairway. So in order to maximize your chances of hitting this landing area, you actually want to tee off closer to the far right side of the tee block. When you tee off from this position, it opens up the fairway. So if you hit a straight shot, you have a perfect angle into the green. Even if you tend to slice or fade a bit, you're still going to have a clear shot into the green. For a left-handed golfer, you want to set up on the left side of the tee block for the same reason. From here, it opens up the fairway so that if you hit a straight shot, you're in a perfect position, or even if you slice or fade the ball, you're still going to have a clear shot into the green. The next time you go to play, start to think about playing the hole from the green back to the tee. This will help you determine the best place to tee off so that you'll have the best chance of parring the hole.